Students, in this part of video, we will discuss about types of affix. The main types of affix are, first one is prefix and second one is suffix. Students, we will discuss about prefix and suffix one by one in detail. Let's start from the prefix. What is a prefix? A syllable or a word part added to the beginning of a word is called a prefix. A prefix has a meaning, but it isn't a word. Students, we will divide the word prefix into two parts. First one is prefix, which means before, and second one is fix, which means added. So, prefix are letters which are added before a root at the beginning of a word. Function of prefix is, a prefix changes the word meaning. Students, here are some examples of prefix. First example is unlucky. Students, un is added beginning of a word. So, un is a prefix. I have already told you that a prefix has a meaning also. So, the meaning of un is not. So, the meaning of unlucky is not lucky. Second example is uncooked. Uncooked, the word un is also added at the beginning of the word cooked. So, un is also a prefix. The meaning of uncooked is not cooked. Another example of prefix is rewrite. Students, re is added beginning of a word write. So, re is a prefix. Re means again. So, the meaning of rewrite is to write again. Now students, let's move to the suffix. Students, what is a suffix? A syllable or a word part added to the end of a word is called a suffix. Function of suffix is, a suffix changes the meaning of the word. Students, here are some examples of suffix. Able, full and ness. The meaning of able is easy or able to. The meaning of full is full of. The meaning of ness is being. For example, likeable. Students, able is added to the end of the word. So, able is suffix. Able means easy or able to. So, the meaning of likeable is easy to like. Next example, beautiful. Students, full is added to the end of a word beauty. So, full is suffix. So, the meaning of beautiful is full of beauty. Now, next example is sweetness. Students, ness is added to the end of the word sweet. So, ness is a suffix. So, the meaning of sweetness is being sweet. Students, let's talk about how to find out suffix and prefix in words. First one is refill. First one is refill. Students, can you find a suffix and prefix in the words? Students, when we have to find out the suffix and prefix in the given words, firstly, we have to divide the given words into two parts. Then, we can easily find out the suffix and the prefix in the words. For example, your given word is refill. Firstly, you have to divide this word into two parts. Re plus fill. Now students, you can easily find out the prefix in refill. Students, re is the prefix. Now next example is unwrap. Students, divide this word into two parts, un plus wrap. So un is prefix. Next one is impossible. Im plus possible. So im is the prefix. Next example, inactive. Divide this word into two parts, in plus active. So students, the first group of letter in is the prefix. Now next one is misbehave. Divide this word into two parts, mis plus behave. So miss is the prefix. Now next example is dependable. Students, divide this word into two parts, depend plus able. Now students, can you find the suffix and prefix? Can you tell me? Yes, able. It is not a prefix. It is suffix. Why? Because able is added to the end of the word depend. So, able is suffix. Now, next one is homeless. Divide this word into two parts. Home plus less. Students, can you find out the suffix or prefix in the given word? Yes, less. Less. Is it prefix? No, it is suffix. Why? Because it is added to the end of the given word home. Now next one is playful. Students, divide this word into two parts, play plus full. Can you identify the suffix? Yes, full. Full is the suffix. Why? Because it is added to the end of the word play. Now next one is careless. Care plus less. Less is suffix. Why? Because it is added to the end of given word. Now next one is entertainment. Divide this word into two parts. Entertain plus ment. Students, can you identify the suffix? Yes, ment. Ment is suffix in the given word entertain. I hope students you would have understand the given topic, suffix and prefix. In the next video, we will discuss about assignments, worksheet or activities related to the topic, suffix and prefix. Till then, prepare your notes at your home and revise it again and again. Students, take care and goodbye.